Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States in Sioux City, Iowa. Today just happens to be my 100th video that I'm putting out. So what I decided to do was to do a video about behind the scenes. And although today is my 100th art video, I also have a leadership channel. You may or may not know, but I am a leader, a CEO of an organization in this community. And I have just put out a YouTube channel about leadership and how to develop yourself and to be the great person that you are meant to be in order to be that great leader. Because I believe if we invest in ourselves and become the best person that we can be, we're going to be that great leader that we want to and attain to be. All right, let me get you on your tour now of the behind the scenes of my art studio, where I make my videos and where I keep my paints and my supplies. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Thanks for joining me for 100 times. Bye for now. Bye. So I just thought I'd show you behind the scenes of my studio slash art gallery, if you will. This is my downstairs basement, all the art, and of course my family area, and there's my cat who always bumps the camera, and myself, he just bumped me. He wanted me to pay attention to him. But this is the area that I create all my art. And I'll use the pool table over there as a drying area from time to time. And yeah, I love this little studio, little nook area. My family can be over there and I can be here creating art. And as you notice that I put down this mat so it protects my carpet. And then if I'm doing like a pendulum, I even put down more as well. Okay, hi everyone. So I changed things up just a little bit down here, and the reason why is I wanted to put my studio for doing videos down here as well. And so then that way, when my husband's over there watching TV, I'm there with him. And we also have a new couch, so that's down there as well. But as you can see, I've got paintings all alongside the walls, curing right now. I utilize, as I've stated, the pool table a number of times. And then over here, you can kind of see with the lights how I use my lighting. I have a ring light. I turned that on for you so that you can see that. I have those lights as well. And that kind of counteracts that one. I'd like to get some lighting that is diffused light, but I haven't been able to do that just yet. That's my, she's making a lot of noise, but that is my dog down there. Hey Bailey, come here. Come here Bailey, come on. Yeah, so she's such a good dog. Anyway, that's Bailey. And this right here is my little nook studio, and as you, oh, there's my cat too, Lewis. Hey Lewis. So it's Lewis and Bailey. Those are my dog and my cat. The majority of the time what I end up doing is I get my studio back to something of looking like it's our family room instead of an art studio all the time. Now I keep some stuff out. As you can see, I've got my paints. Right, I've got some right there, and if you look over here, I have a tall shelving unit right here that's got some paint in it as well, so my taller paints. So I do keep some of my stuff out for use, access to, but I do really try to clean up my area, and that way I have always a family room and it looks nice. So that when I have guests over or when my family is just here, I just like it being cleaned up. Okay, well this right back here is my area where I store my mediums in. So there's my shelving with my mediums and some of my paints. Most of my paints are out in the other room. But I also have back here my area where I store my mats at, and also my actual canvases that are drying. And then I just went to Michael's and they had a big sale, so I got a bunch of stuff as well. So, and then the other thing that I keep access of is my empty tea bottles. I drink tea a lot. If you watch my videos, you'll see me do that. And instead of throwing them away or putting them in the recycling bin, I recycle them by using LOP paint, L-O-P, leftover paint. And so I put my leftover paint in there. And then I also have an area that's drying, so like my utensils or any cups or any of that matter, it dries. And then this right here, actually you can just, you know, remove it, the paint, if you just kind of spend some time peeling it off. And then I've got my extra measuring cups. My level is back here. My cups are back there. And some apparatuses that I use different techniques with. So, yeah. I love my little space. And my family appreciates it, that I put stuff away. Right now, my 5 kids are out of the house. And so it's my husband and I love keeping our house cleaned up. And this is my studio. All right, I'm going to flip around, not quickly because it gets you dizzy, but then we're going to come back out here. Hey, Bailey. How you doing? Can you sit? Bailey. Bailey, sit. Oh, that's a good girl. Hi. Yeah. All right, and so then we just come out here. This is the back of my studio. And there's where I create my videos. Well, thanks for watching today. I appreciate it. Thanks for joining me on my 100th video and the behind the scenes. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now. So even though, you know, I clean up my studio, you can see that there's a little bit of paint that got on my carpet there, even through my pad, so I'm even more cautious. But how you can really tell that it's a studio is by the splatter from doing a Dutch pour, right? And even on my walls. That's what a studio should look like. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.